Struggling to build ETL data pipelines? Tired of complex workflows and manual setup? Say goodbye to the hassle with the Ask Zia pipeline builder in Zoho DataPrep, your smart co-pilot for ETL pipeline automation. Just tell Zia what you need, and it builds the ETL pipeline for you. No code, no hassle, just results. I'm working with leads data coming from two different regions, the US and Dubai. My goal is to combine, enrich, and clean these lead records, and then push the final data into Zoho CRM and Zoho Analytics for sales and marketing follow-up. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can achieve it by using simple conversational prompts with Ask Zia and Zoho DataPrep. In the Pipeline Builder, click on the Ask Zia button, and the conversation pane opens right away. Let's start by importing the leads generated from our US marketing campaigns, stored in Amazon RDS PostgreSQL. If your connection is already saved in DataPrep, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to configure it first. Ask Zia can only access data through saved connections. For security, direct credential input isn't supported. Since my connection is already saved, I'll simply ask Zia to fetch the US leads dataset by specifying the connection and table name. This helps Zia understand the command, connect to the right cloud database, pull in the data, and display a confirmation of the table to be imported. Looks perfect. Importing that. Next, I'll import the leads data from Dubai stored as spreadsheets in Google Drive. The confirmation shows the right file. Let's bring that in. Now, let's merge the US and Dubai leads into a single consolidated dataset by appending them. Ask Zia performs the append transform and quickly generates a preview of the combined dataset. Everything looks good. Applying the changes. Next, I want to bring in another dataset that has the company information, like industry, company size, and headquarter location, etc., which is stored in Google Drive. I'll ask Zia to import this data so I can enrich the leads with more business context. Next, I want to join the combined leads data with the company dataset. Zia configures the join and shows the enriched dataset preview. Looks perfect. The combined dataset contains some invalid data, so I'll open the DataPrep Studio to fix them. Click on the Ask Zia button and use a quick prompt to fix them. The preview looks clean. Applying it now. Every transformation is added as a rule in the rule set. You can perform over 250 plus transforms using Ask Zia on the Studio page. For a detailed walkthrough, check out our separate video on preparing data with Ask Zia in the Studio page. Now that the data is ready, let's head back to the Pipeline Builder. Now I want to perform a pivot transformation to summarize leads based on region and source. This helps in analyzing which marketing channels are performing well. Ask Zia builds the pivot table and shows a preview summary. This is exactly what I need. Applying the pivot. Next, I want to push the cleaned leads data to the leads module in Zoho CRM and also export the summarized leads data to Zoho Analytics. Ask Zia connects to Zoho CRM and Zoho Analytics and shows a confirmation of what data will be exported. Looks good. Let's apply. Now that the pipeline is ready, you can try executing your pipeline using a manual run at first. Once you make sure manual run works, you can simply ask Zia to schedule the pipeline to run every Monday at 9 a.m. And Zia sets it up for me. Now that's all done, and with the help of Ask Zia, there was no need to set it up manually. This pipeline will keep my CRM and analytics systems updated automatically.
And that's it. Remember, you can always ask Zia to simplify complex ETL tasks, automate ETL pipelines across multiple data sources, and keep your data flowing smoothly. If you have any questions, drop a comment below or reach out to us at support@zohodataprep.com. Thanks for watching.